Question number 23. A water tank is 7/8 full. When 21 liters of water is drawn out, the tank is 5/8 full. What is the total capacity of the tank in liters? So, we represent our problem as X, that is the total capacity of the tank. Then we're going to find for the value of our X. We can have our equation as 7/8x minus 21, which is the liters of water is drawn out, is equal to 5/8x. Then we're going to subtract and add 21 on both sides. That will give us 7/8x is equal to 5/8x plus 21. Okay, subtract 5/8x on both sides. That will be 7/8x minus 5/8x is equal to 21. Since our fraction has a similar denominator, we can subtract this one easily, which is 2/8x is equal to 21. Or we can have our 2/8 as 1/4. So we have 1/4 x is equal to 21. Okay, to solve for our x, 1/4 x is equal to 21. Multiply both sides by 4. So this one cancel out. So what is left is x. Then 21 times 4, that is 84. So 84 liters is the total capacity of the tank.